My boys won't hesitate to run up on your boy. 심정이 빵빵빵 남자들은 탐탐탐 내 입술 냠냠냠 어디 가도 당당당 등장은 짠짠짠 뛰자 뛰자 팡팡팡 디스코 팡팡팡 hello.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Hadi bin Mohamed Madani. So today we will discuss about application of differentiation. So this is our team members. So I am the leader of this group. So next we have Mohamed Zachery bin Mohamed Amir Fazzely. Next we have Uni Anak Valentine. And finally we have Iqbal Bin Yusuf. Introduction. In application of differentiation, we have choose related rates. What is related rates? In the differential calculus, related rates problems involve two or more variables that change at the same time, possibly at different rate. The rate of change is usually with respect to time. Next, I am going to pass this slide to Mohamed Zachery.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohamed Zachery bin Mohamed Amir Fazzely. Today I'm going to talk about objectives for related rates. In related rates problem, the idea is to compute the rate of change of one quantity in terms of the rate of change of another quantity, which may be more easily measured. The procedure is to find an equation that relates the two quantities and then use the change rule method or implicit method. Next, I'm going to talk to you about tips. 4 is a step in answering related rates questions. First, you need to define the shape. Second, you need to identify the rate of change. And third, determine the formula and equation. Lastly, you need to use dy dx equation and substitute values. Applications. In applications, you have related rates. Second, you have maximum and minimum. And third, you have determining increasing and decreasing function. And now, I'm going to pass the slide to Iqbal.
Now we'll be moving to the question. This is our question today. A water storage tank is an inverted circular cone with a base radius of 2 meters and a height of 4 meters. If water is being pumped into the tank at a rate of 2 meters cubed per minute, find the rate at which the water level rises when water is 3 meters deep. So this is how the inverted cone will look like. Okay, for the first step, we have to sketch the cone and label it as shown in the figure. This is the inverted cone. This is the height of the inverted cone, and this is its radius. Next, the surface, let V, R, and H be the cone volume, the surface radius, and the water height at a time, where T is measured in minutes. So for our rate, we'll be measuring it in meter per minute. So for the second step, we are given that dV over dt equals to 2 meter. The rate for the water will moving in, which is 2 meters cubed per minute. We were asked to find the dH over dt when the height of the water reached 3 meters. The quantities V and H are related by the formula of the cone's volume. So first we have to know the cone's volume, which is like that is written in this slide right here. So we can solve the problem. Okay, now we will be moving to the next step.
For the third step, remember that we want to find the change in height concerning time. Hence, expressing V as a function of H alone is very beneficial. To eliminate R, we use the similar triangles shown in the figure. R over H equals to 2 over 4. R equals to hash over 2. Substituting the expression for V becomes V equals to 1 over 3 pi times hash over 2 times hash. V equals to pi over 12 times hash times 3. Next, differentiate each side of the equation in terms of R. dv over dt equals to pi over 4 times hash times 2 d hash over dt. d hash over dt equals to 4 over pi hash square dv over dt. Substituting hash equals to 3m and dv over dt equals to 2m cubed per minute, we have d hash over dt equals to 4 over, in a bracket, pi times 3 times 2 times 2. d hash over dt equals to 8 over 9 pi. Final answer, the water level is rising at a rate of 8 over 9 pi, approximately equal to 0.28 meter per minute. Conclusion. In a nutshell, based on our presentation, we have shown that differentiation-related rates can help us solve the problem in finding rate of change of the rate at which the water level rises. Therefore, we would like to grab this chance to thank Madam Noatika for giving us this opportunity to show everyone the beauty in differentiation. Thank you.